Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. My name is The Great Tay and I talk about hair, beauty, business, so much more. So be sure to subscribe so you can keep up with all that I'm doing. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this headband jumbo box braid wig, you guys. I did it from scratch, so I'm going to show you step by step in details how I did it. It's super easy to do. It's not time consuming at all. So just stay tuned, keep on watching. So guys, I am gonna start off with using my mesh dome cap. You can get these at your local beauty supply store. Any mesh dome cap will do. So I'll link the one that I'm using in the description bar below, and I'll let you know the exact brand that I'm using. So I start off with sewing my jumbo box braid to the mesh dome cap, and when I'm sewing it down, I don't start at the, I don't start sewing at the line, the base of the mesh dome cap, if you understand what I mean. I start a little bit behind the base, behind the elastic band on the mesh dome cap. So that's what I'm doing. So I sew each crochet jumbo box braid down, and I'll also link the jumbo box braid that I'm using. I'll link it in the description below as well if you want to grab the exact box braid that I'm using. So as you can see here, I am sewing down another crochet box braid. So basically what I'm doing, you guys, I'm just gonna sew these box braids individually, going right around the mesh dome cap. So just watch the entire video and you'll see exactly what I'm doing. And just so you guys know, there's no special way to sew your box braids down. You just sew it down and just ensure that it's secure, because you don't want to be walking and your box braids start falling off your wig, okay? And in case you're wondering why I didn't start sewing at the exact, like why I didn't start sewing on the elastic band, you'll see later on in the video why I did it this way. And also, you guys, be sure to check out my other braided wig videos, and I have other hair videos as well, you know. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe so you can keep up with whatever I'm doing, and also hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload any new content. And leave a comment in the comment section below, guys. Let me know if you enjoyed this video at the end when you're done watching, obviously, because you're going to watch the entire video. And leave a comment, let me know if this is something that you think you'll try. Another thing to note, you guys, the thread that I'm using, it's I got my thread at, it's not a polyester thread, it's the weaving thread, the thread that you use to do your sewing. So you can get this at the beauty supply store. So that's another thing to note. I prefer using this thread because this thread is more thick in comparison to just the regular polyester thread. It's a little bit thinner, and it's a possibility that it's gonna break whenever you're sewing. It's gonna break easily, I should say, whenever you're sewing. So that's something that you may want to take into consideration. But you know, I'll put everything that I'm using, I'll put it in the description below. So if I missed anything, let me know in the comment section, and I'm more than happy to answer any questions. So just continue watching, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. As I said before, this video is very detailed, so if you want to see everything that I'm doing step by step, watch this video until the end. I'll see you guys in the end of the video.
Planetit Kreative.
yarn out.